Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today we're talking about one of the biggest challenges for investors. Not the market itself, but our emotions. Fear, greed, excitement, panic, these feelings can make even smart investors make bad decisions. So in this episode, we'll break down how to recognize emotional investing, how it hurts your portfolio, and what you can do to stay calm, focused, and confident when the market gets rocky. Emotional investing happens when your decisions are driven by how you feel instead of what you know. For example, the market dips and you panic sell everything. Or a stock skyrockets and you rush to buy in because everyone else is. It feels logical in the moment, but often it's just fear of missing out or fear of losing money. In short, emotional investing turns short-term feelings into long-term mistakes. Let's say you invest $1,000 in a stock. The market drops 10% and you panic sell at $900. A month later, that same stock rebounds 15%, meaning you would have made a profit if you'd stayed patient. That's what emotional investing costs. Not just money, but peace of mind. Markets always move up and down. History shows that staying invested through the dips usually leads to better results than trying to time every rise and fall. Remember, the market rewards patience, not panic. Here are some simple ways to keep your emotions in check. Have a clear plan. Know your goals and your time horizon before you invest. When you have a plan, short-term noise won't shake you. Automate your investing. Set automatic contributions so you don't have to decide when to buy. You just stay consistent. Avoid checking your portfolio every day. The more often you look, the more emotional you'll feel. Diversify. Spreading your money across different investments reduces risk and helps you stay calm when one area dips. It's about training your mindset as much as building your portfolio. The truth is, emotions are part of being human. Even the best investors feel fear and excitement, but successful investing isn't about removing emotions, it's about managing them. Stick to your plan, focus on the long game, and remember, your wealth grows through consistency, not impulse. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Stay focused, stay calm, and keep growing your future, one smart decision at a time. And in our next episode, we'll talk about micro-investing apps you can try. Perfect for anyone who wants to start small but think big.